Hi everyone! Welcome to our quick evening boost session. Feeling a bit tired after a long day? Maybe you've been sitting at your desk for hours, or perhaps you've been running around taking care of errands and responsibilities. It's completely normal to feel drained as the day winds down. Don't worry, I've got you covered. We're going to shake off that fatigue and get you feeling refreshed and re-energized. We're going to do a quick and effective 10-minute workout that will leave you feeling energized and ready to tackle the rest of your evening. This isn't just any workout. It's designed to be fun, engaging, and most importantly, doable for everyone, regardless of your fitness level. This routine combines strength, flexibility, and a touch of cardio to wake up your muscles and boost your energy. We'll start with some gentle stretches to loosen up those tight muscles, followed by a series of strength exercises to build endurance, and finish off with some light cardio to get your heart pumping. No need for any fancy equipment, just find a bit of space in your living room. And let's get started. Clear away any obstacles, move that coffee table aside, and make sure you have enough room to move freely. If you have a yoga mat, great. If not, no worries. A soft carpet or even a towel will do. Remember to listen to your body and take breaks whenever you need them. It's important to stay hydrated, so keep a bottle of water nearby. If at any point you feel dizzy or overly fatigued, take a moment to rest. This workout is about feeling good, not pushing yourself to the brink. Ready to feel fantastic? Let's go! We'll start with some gentle neck rolls to release tension, followed by shoulder shrugs and arm circles. Next, we'll move into some lunges and squats to engage those leg muscles. Don't forget to breathe deeply and enjoy the movement. After that, we'll do some jumping jacks to get the blood flowing. Finally, we'll end with a few minutes of stretching to cool down and relax. By the end of this session, you'll feel rejuvenated and ready to take on whatever comes next. Let's make the most of these 10 minutes together. Before we jump into the workout, let's warm up our muscles with some simple movements. Warming up is crucial as it prepares your body for the physical activity ahead. It increases your heart rate, gets your blood flowing, and helps to loosen up your muscles and joints. This not only enhances your performance, but also significantly reduces the risk of injuries. So, let's take a few minutes to get our bodies ready for the workout. This will help prevent injuries and prepare your body for exercise. A good warm-up routine can make a huge difference in how you feel during and after your workout. It can help you move more efficiently and with greater ease. Plus, it mentally prepares you for the physical exertion to come. So, let's start with some basic movements to get our bodies in the right state. First, let's do some gentle head rolls. This simple exercise helps to release tension in your neck and shoulders, which is especially important if you've been sitting at a desk all day. Slowly circle your head clockwise, then counterclockwise. Take your time with this movement, feeling the stretch in every direction. Make sure to keep your movements controlled and smooth to avoid any strain. Feel the stretch in your neck and shoulders. As you do this, breathe deeply and steadily. Inhale as you start the movement and exhale as you complete the circle. This will help you relax and get the most out of the stretch. Next, let's do some arm circles to loosen up our shoulders. This exercise is great for increasing the range of motion in your shoulders and warming up the muscles around your shoulder joints. Extend your arms out to the sides and make small circles forward, then reverse the direction. Start with small circles and gradually make them larger. This will help to gently stretch and warm up your shoulder muscles. Great job! Now we're warmed up and ready to begin. Remember, a proper warm-up is the foundation of a good workout. It sets the tone for the rest of your session and helps you perform at your best. So, always take the time to warm up properly before diving into your exercises. Now let's get moving and make the most of our workout. Our first exercise is the mighty squat. Squats are fantastic for strengthening your legs and glutes. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, toes pointing slightly outward. Now, slowly lower yourself down as if you're sitting back into a chair. Keep your back straight and core engaged. Push through your heels to stand back up. Let's do 10 of these. Remember to keep your movements controlled and focus on proper form. Feel the burn in your thighs and glutes. That's how you know it's working. Now let's move on to the plank, a fantastic exercise for strengthening your core muscles. Get into a push-up position, but instead of lowering down, hold your body in a straight line from head to heels. Engage your core muscles and hold this position for 30 seconds. Remember to breathe deeply throughout the exercise. If you need to modify, you can lower your knees to the ground. Plank might look easy, but it's a real core challenger. You're doing great. Keep it up. Section 5. Exercise 3. Push it up for upper body strength. Let's work on our upper body strength with some push-ups. Push-ups are a fantastic exercise that targets multiple muscle groups, including the chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. They are versatile and can be done anywhere, making them a great addition to any workout routine. Start in a plank position with your hands shoulder-width apart. Ensure your body forms a straight line from your head to your heels. This position is crucial for maintaining proper form and preventing injury. Lower your body down by bending your elbows until your chest touches the floor. Keep your elbows at a 45-degree angle to your body to protect your shoulders. This movement should be controlled and steady, focusing on engaging your chest and triceps. Push back up to the starting position, keeping your core engaged throughout the movement. Engaging your core helps stabilize your body and ensures that you are using the correct muscles. Remember to breathe out as you push up. Do as many push-ups as you can with good form, even if it's just a few. Quality is more important than quantity. As you build strength, you will be able to do more repetitions. Consistency is key, so keep practicing regularly. Remember, it's okay to modify by doing push-ups against a wall or on your knees. Modifications are a great way to build strength gradually. Wall push-ups are perfect for beginners, while knee push-ups offer a middle ground for those who are progressing. The important thing is to challenge yourself. Push-ups are a journey, and every bit of effort counts. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Over time, you will notice improvements in your upper body strength and overall fitness. Keep pushing yourself, stay motivated, and enjoy the process of getting stronger. Section 6. Exercise 4. Lunge forward for leg power. Time to work those legs again with lunges. Step forward with your right leg and lower your body until both knees are bent at a 90-degree angle. Make sure your front knee is directly above your ankle. Push off with your front foot to return to the starting position. Repeat on the other side. Let's do 10 lunges on each leg. Lunges are great for improving balance and coordination too. Feel those leg muscles working. Section 7. Exercise 5. Supercharge your heart with jumping jacks. Let's get our heart rate up with some jumping jacks. Stand with your feet together and arms at your sides. Jump your feet out to the sides while raising your arms overhead. Jump back to the starting position. Continue this movement for 1 minute. Remember to breathe. Jumping jacks are a fun and effective way to get your heart pumping and burn some calories. You're doing amazing. Section 8. Cooling down. Relax and recharge. Great work, everyone. Now it's time to cool down and stretch our muscles. Let's start with some gentle neck stretches. Slowly tilt your head to the side, then to the other side. Next, reach your arms overhead and gently bend side to side. Finally, sit down on the floor and stretch your legs out in front of you. Take a few deep breaths and relax. Section 9. Conclusion. Make exercise a habit. Well done on completing this quick and effective evening workout. Remember, even a little bit of exercise can make a big difference in your energy levels and overall health. Try to incorporate short workouts into your daily routine, even if it's just for 10 minutes. You'll be amazed at how much better you feel. Now go and enjoy the rest of your evening, knowing you've done something great for your body and mind.